Hi Deepani, how are you? I hope you are enjoying out there. We are really missing you. चलता है कभी कभार आओगी वापस मुझे मालूम है. ये सब मेरे को देख के हंस रहे थे. It's nothing so funny, but still we guys are missing you a lot. Prayat sir is shooting the film. By the way, that's it. Congratulations, Kushal. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful weekend, and congratulations for your sagai.
Hi, I'm Dev. I just joined this beautiful family recently, and Deepani is my boss, and I've taken my boss's place right now. So I know I'm going to get killed because of this. By the way, it has been a great experience working with her till now. She's helped me a lot, made me learn a lot of things, and she's also like been very nice to me because and I've been working with her. Forgot to tell you the main thing that till now I've been thrown out of the window for around say 150 times. I've been slapped for around 60 times. She's created a history by throwing everyone down after I've been calculating. I've had a special diary in which I calculate how many times she throws people out of the window. And after this, when she comes back, I'm so dead, I know that. Please give me some concession on the meetings for the good things that I said. Congratulations for your future and best of luck. Bye.
Hello Deepani, congratulations for your engagement. અહીંયા બધા તમને ખૂબ જ યાદ કરે છે. આશા રાખીએ કે તમે કદાચ ફરીથી જોબ જોઈન કરી શકશો.
Let me go to Rajat's cabin.
Hi Deepani, I hope everything is going with Kushal Mangal. And this is my copyright dialogue. Everybody is using it, but this is my copyright dialogue. Anyways, hi Kushal. Deepani is my most favorite employee. Although everyone is favorite, but she's too cute, and she is my copywriter. Definitely, I'm telling you, we are missing her a lot. And Deepani, you dissed me. You made me a promise that you will get married in April, but you are in too much of hurry. You are getting married in December. Anyways, Kushal, try to come back to India and settle down so that we can get Deepani back in my company. Guys, enjoy a lot, have fun. These are the golden days of your life. Deepani, 1 month should be 1 month only. Come back and join me soon. Bye, take care, have fun.
Well, Sheena, I really wish either of you guys were there for the ceremony. I wanted someone from my friend's side, to come up and raise a toast for me. This is exactly what Deepani told me in our Delhi trip. But then Deepani, we were actually planning since almost like 5 days how to start the shoot and send you this video to send a rope toast for your ceremony. But then lazy us, Finally we are here. Just to tell you something about Deepani, actually the new members of the family. She's somebody who can make bonds in just no time. She's a true team person, great helper for me. She has been a friend, philosopher, guide. She'll point out mistakes like this and correct them rather. The vision that she has for things is something with which you're never feared of taking up challenges. That is the best part about her actually. For Kushal, few things that you should have in your to-do list now is 1, you should shop and shop. 2 is you should shop for lip balms, you should shop for bags, you should shop for mints, of course. The third thing,
don't forget chocolates.
Oh, the chocolates was there in the list. Okay, everybody has to contribute in my speech, yeah. Okay, the second thing in the list is the speed limit of your bike. It should not exceed more than 10. Concession for you 15 kilometers per hour. And the last thing for you, Mr. Kushal, is better be on time now, okay? She's somebody who will reach the venue, reach the destination about 10 minutes before the time, which is just not like me. I'll be like somebody who will reach 15 minutes after the time.
45 minutes.
Okay. That's Rajitha's contribution. Well, guys, may your love exist. See the best times of life. Congratulations. Best of luck for your life ahead.
Hey, yaar, Sheena, बहुत बकर करते हैं. I don't have much to speak about it, So from the day when I know you, it's not being long. First of all, hi to everybody.
It's not been long, we people know each other, we're working together. But you know, every time when I see her, it recalls of my sis back at home. Thanks for everything, Dipali. Nothing much to say. God bless you. Enjoy your golden days, as I said earlier before you left from here. See you soon.
Hi Dipani, how are you? I'm sure you're enjoying this moment. I think you've seen the picture, right? That is the power of girls. Okay, now I'm really missing you out here. Come back soon. Actually, your seat has taken by Dave, but I'm sure you will take it back when you come back. So come back soon, missing you a lot. Congrats to you and Kushal, congrats to you too.
Kushal Mangal.
Kushal Mangal.
Kushal Kantil.
That is the way we tease Dipani. It's Kushal Mangal. that comes from Kushal Kantil, and we say Kushal Mangal always to Dipani. So Dipani, enjoy, take care, come back soon. Missing you a lot.
This is a special message from